This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Focus Tree and signing in. Make sure you're using the intended account so tasks sync correctly. Once signed in, create or pick a root project and set a realistic deadline and priority to drive structure. Configure core settings next. Enable notifications, calendar sync, and any integrations you rely on so updates flow. This immediate setup saves duplicate work later. Keep the workspace tidy by deleting demo tasks and naming the root clearly before you add detailed items. Now you construct the focus tree itself. Add tasks as branches and break larger goals into subtasks that represent 30-minute to multi-hour work blocks so progress is measurable. Use tags, priority flags, and estimated time fields to sort your work. Reorder branches with drag and drop to reflect changing focus. Assign dependencies where one task must finish before another starts. Enable recurring schedules for routine items, and attach files or links for quick reference. Doing this makes your tree actionable rather. You execute work using the daily focus view and built-in timer. Start a focus session, complete the task, and mark it done so momentum builds. Once done, run brief end-of-day reviews and weekly audits to archive finished branches, update remaining estimates, and reprioritize based on outcomes. If something goes wrong, like sync failure, toggle offline mode, verify you're signed into the correct account and force a manual resync. If that fails, export data before troubleshooting further to avoid losing changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.